Look how amazing my hair looks. Hi guys, welcome. My name is Cher and I teach people that are dealing with hair loss how to make, style and install their own wigs. You don't have to be a hairdresser because I'm not, but I believe that if I can do it, you can do it too. I run a blog called intowigs.com where I talk about wigs, beauty and lifestyle. I also have a free ebook where I show you all the tools and accessories you need to make your own wigs. The link to the blog will be in the description bar below, as well as a link to the ebook if you'd like to get your own free copy. Click the link below and you'll get yours. I have installed this hair in a previous video where I shared how you can reinstall your wig yourself. And but this is the part 2 of that video to show you how you can curl your wig with your flat iron. So I have my flat iron here. This is a TikTok hack. We're gonna curl the hair with a flat iron. The flat iron I'm using is a Carmen Smooth and Shine flat iron, and I put it on the highest setting. It's heating up at the moment. While it's heating up, I'm gonna add some heat protectant to my hair because we're gonna use heat, and I've used some heat protectant already, but I really like to protect my hair as good as possible. And on top of that, I am going to use She Silk Infusion styling oil, I guess. Yeah, so not too much. So, and now I'm gonna get my paddle brush to brush both products good through the hair, and also to make sure that the hair is detangled. I'm gonna section out the hair so it's easier for me to work with.
Wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop.
So guys, I'm done curling the hair with a flat iron. It worked so far, but we're not gonna walk around like this with our hair like this because we need to fluff it out. And we're gonna fluff the hair out with this paddle brush and just brush it out so it's nice and flowy. Wow. There you have it. We are done curling the hair with the straighteners. This is the end result, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. This TikTok hack, it works. You see the results. Look how beautiful and bouncy my hair is. I haven't used any holding spray. I didn't want to do that. I just want the hair to be bouncy and flowy as it is. The only two products I've used on the hair is the heat protecting spray and the She Silk Fusion serum. Those are the only two products I've used on the hair, and of course the straighteners. You can use your straighteners to curl your hair. It works. It works. It's Wigs approved. Look how amazing my hair looks. It's also bouncy, and I just love that. Kindly let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Remember, I have a blog which you can read, intowigs.com, and I also have a free ebook where I teach you all the tools and accessories you need to make your own wigs. You can get that ebook in the information bar below. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.